So now we have a keynote speaker. Dr. Zhao Zhong Zhen. Everybody already know who he is, right? Okay, so he actually has many, many hats. And he also will be our Dean of five branches, Tang Pharmacology, TCM Pharmacology School. So welcome Dr. Zhao Zhong Zhen.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here to say something. I just want to say my feeling about this ceremony. The first one, I want to give introduce of myself from my name. My name is Triple Z, so Zhao Zhong Zhen, Triple Z. So I find my name in the dictionary of Oxford. How about the name? Triple Z is meaning a lazy boy, a sleepy, yeah. So now I want to, if you check the name list, at the end of the name list is me in different conference because the Triple Z, okay. So now I want to give an interpretation of my name. My name ZZZ. In Chinese, 中国中医中药. China, Chinese medicine and Chinese herb. Yeah. So, and the second one is I really thanks to Angela, Ron, Joanna provide a good opportunity, a good chance for me to come here, join Five Branches University, to realize my dream. What's my dream? My dream is to popularize Chinese herbal medicine to the world. This is my dream. The third one, I think, I want to tell you why I joined the Five Branches University. In the States, the many areas, there are so many the Chinese, the traditional Chinese medicine course. My family, actually, I stay in the New Jersey. When I come here, about 5 years ago, first I met Joanna. I find actually we are the same family. Joanna's name, Zhao Zhenping, right? Yeah. My name is Zhao Zhong Zhen. Yeah. We are in the same family. 5 years ago, we are in the same family. Yeah. So everything, if I promised, I'll do it, I'll try my best and do it well. So here, I want to promise to Angela, I'll try my best to run this school and this course well. Okay.
Thank you.
And this morning, and our dean, Professor Liu, asked me at the Zhong Zhen, what's the meaning of the five branches? Here, I want to explain it again. Five branches actually is 5 elements of Chinese medicine. This is under the domain of the Chinese medicine, 对吧? Acupuncture, 推拿, qigong, and then is food therapy and herbal medicine. I think now in the States, in the San Francisco and here, 5 branches, already do acupuncture education, already did it very well. The total number in the United States, the acupuncture list with lessons approaching 20,000. Plus the students in the school, the total number is 26,000. This is the number. I think we'll be reaching 30,000 soon. But this is the strong point. How about the weakness? I don't think in the States now with the formal education in the herbal medicine and food therapy, 食疗和中药, not yet. So why we should open this course in the United States? I think to meet the market requirement. This is very important. Now in the States, I think not only in the United States, in the Europe and other countries, more and more people using the Chinese herbal medicine. At the same time, the safety issue also arousing international concern. We are worried about, we're concerned about. The first one is source, the original plants, how to make the supply cannot meet the requirement or not. The second one is all the products, the herbs, crude drug and the products, how about quantity control? How to make sure the practitioners can using the good quantity of the herb. All of this need us to do from the very beginning for the education. The education to ensure the qualified, the pharmacist to do some manager for this one. And also, now I just mentioned, many of the practitioners in the States, they were received good education in mainland China or in the States in the Chinese medicine, but now only they use the mainly method using is acupuncture. In Chinese, I think, in the States now, with acupuncture, but no herbs. We see Zheng Zhao, but now in the States, with acupuncture, but no macroscopic. 有医无药，有针无灸. This is the current situation in the state. So our next one, through the open this course, through the education, we want to push the Chinese herbal medicine to the states. So now I want to say something about our course. Talking about the education, the first important thing is last night I discussing with Mr. Zhong Zhen. He's very successful in the industry, pharmacy industry. In his hands there are many good products, ginseng and so many things. Dr. Zheng, we are a good friend, also graduated from the same university in the Beijing. He asked me, how about Professor Zhao, your products? I can tell you that my products is Eric. Yeah. A student. Eric is really an outstanding student. He can speak the Chinese very well. American is a mother tongue. He can speak very well. And also he had a rich experience in the Chinese herbal medicine. So I think in the future, Eric is the typical one. In the future, in 5 branches, through this training center, we hope and believe more and more experts like Eric will growing up. So, okay. This is the students, and I'm also very happy today. Many the students in 5 branches join this the ceremony. And the second one is that how about the expertise, the professors in this course. So in this course, I just mentioned in this morning and last night, I met so many pioneers in different areas. And just our President Ram mentioned these 4 parties. All of them is the leading position in their area. The first is the Tang, the famous industry. They already have 346 years the history, the renowned industry in China. Just mentioned in the Professor Wang Wenquan's Institute in Beijing is WHO Collaboration Center. And our dean, Professor Lu, and the Hong Kong BU. Sometimes some people ask me, what's the meaning of Hong Kong BU? I tell them the Hong Kong best university in Chinese medicine. Actually, in Hong Kong, we are the first one and only one to set up TCM pharmacy courses in the Hong Kong. We already accumulated many experience doing the education in this area. this time when we set up this course, all the resources and the expertise and the teachers will support the 5 branches. At the same time, today I also want to introduce another expert, Dr. Liu Jianghua. Yeah, stand up please. Okay, welcome. Actually, Dr. Liu, she got very good training in the mainland China, major in phytochemistry, and then got the scholarship, was trained well in the Europe, in Germany. And then she moved to the Illinois, also another WHO collaboration center. Now she opened its own the clinic. So she had good experience both in pharmacy and medicine, in Western medicine and Chinese medicine. She's also the president of local society of the Chinese Pharmacy Society. So I think I'd like to invite Dr. Liu as a guest, the teacher or professor in this course. Are you okay? Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Another one is just Eric already mentioned, Professor Wang Wenquan. Stand up, please. Okay. Yeah, Professor Wang. Wang in Chinese, the meaning of Wang is the king. He's a king. Yeah. Professor Wang actually, he is the king in the cultivation of the herbal medicine. In the past 30 years, he accumulated rich experience in the cultivation of the herbal medicine. I think this time, Professor Wang joined this team, not only give a talk in our courses, what is more, he's a good doer. He can cultivate the herbs very well. He knows the resources of the herbs, how to cultivate it well. I think with the collaboration with PAC, so this cultivation can be success in the States. Okay, this is talking about our two of them just I introduced today. Some others, if the course, I designed 14 for the courses, the different courses in this in the syllabus, related the quality control of the herbal medicine, related Chinese herbal cultivation. At the same time, also some knowledge of the Western herbs. As you know, now in the European and American herbal market, the market share of the Chinese herbal medicine and the Western herbal medicine, 50 to 50. So just like echinacea, like this, St. Johnson wort, this is the Western herbs. And also I can give you another example, the ginkgo biloba, the leaves of the ginkgo biloba. All of them is a new development at the herbal medicine. All this kind of knowledge will be given in this course. Okay, this is talking about the courses. Okay, the next one, how about our textbook? How about our textbook? So now today I bring some the textbook here. Here I want to show you that today I bring the books here. They're maybe too heavy. Two sets of the book. This is the first one is Encyclopedia of Medicinal Plants. Actually, we used about 20 years to finish this book. This set of volume, including the books, volume 1 and 2 give the knowledge of traditional Chinese herbal medicine. For the volume 3, focus on introduction about Western herbs. Yeah. In the volume 4, it focuses on the tropical area around the Hong Kong, the local herbs. All of these books published in Chinese and English. So Korea version, I know some of the students from Korea also studied in San Francisco. The Korea version will be published in this year. In the past 50 years in China, for the book got the government prize only 2. One is Professor Chen Keji's 清宫议案. That book talking about the history record inside of the Forbidden City for the emperor. Another set of book is this one, Professor Xiao Beigeng and our team. This is one I want to devote all this one here to the Five Branch University. Another one is Eric just mentioned traditional experience with modern understanding, how to realize them. Actually, in my book, this one we used 30 years to accumulate this knowledge. And this book, I think, already Chinese version, traditional character and simplified character already published. And English version already published with the help of Eric, and the Japanese version also published. Now, Korea version, the Russian version, and the Vietnam version, and Portugal. And next year, the German, French, and the Spanish version will be published. I'm very happy our research book was widely accepted. At the same time, it's indicated that this kind of knowledge is really needed in the international herbal market. This is the thing. And, okay, another set of the book. Because it's too heavy today, I only bring 2 here. All of this book, the total is 8 sets. It's called the standard, Hong Kong standard of the Chinese material medical. We accumulate 10 years experiment date. Actually, this work first launched 12 years ago. It's studied by Dr. Margaret Chen. She is the director in the WHO now. So this work, the commonly used 200 species standard already finished. We just mentioned Professor Liu Aiping. She is the director of the ISO delegation, the Chinese chairman. So now we are popularize this one. I think both Chinese version and the English version can be taken as a reference book in our courses. And talking about our education now, not only using this one, we also promote some the online education. All the material here in the CD-ROM, all the students can share it freely. Okay, another maybe someone think, oh, it's too heavy, so many books, it's not easy to understand, to read. Now I only bring another set of the book. This one is talking about the cultivation. Actually, it's based on my lecture notes in Hong Kong in the past 17 years. And I already published 12 sets of that. The total number of this one will be 20. In this example is Professor Wang Wenquan and my group. We did it based on the past 20 years of field investigation. So this can be taken as a reference for that. So we just talking about our education. And there are 2 formal. One type is just like today. This is a live teaching. Another one is online education. I have prepared some the video show and collaboration with TV, and I think in the near future with the China CCTV and the American Discovery Channel, we will collaboration together to launching this online education. So yeah, thank you for Professor Wang provide this one. This textbook is Professor Wang his own experience. I give a summarize. All of this teaching material is the unique. and in the 5 branches. This is the original copy. So now I think I have to give a summary of my talk. So I feel confidence with the so many experts, so many pioneers from the different area. We joined together in the 5 branches in San Francisco to launching this course. I think our course will be success. Now I want to get answer from you. Are you will confidence to our course? Yes or not? Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. So